mobility industry is transforming rapidly. Electric vehicles are a reality now, and autonomous vehicles are not far away. These innovations are influencing tire design significantly, as they demand taller and narrower tires with low rolling resistance. SIMULIA's Tire Analysis Engineer role was created to address these challenges. With Tire Analysis Engineer, users are able to create, parameterize, and modify the cross-section of a tire, generate meshes, and predict footprint and rolling resistance very quickly. Calibrate and apply complex, non-linear viscoelastic materials from test data easily. Democratize simulations to non-experts with the help of simulation templates. Carry out design of experiments and select the best tire layout with the help of a fully automated simulation process. And widely share KPIs and targets on dashboards with stakeholders throughout the design process. Direct business benefits of using SIMULIA's Tire Analysis Engineer are fast prediction of key tire performance in the early stage of design, reducing expensive and challenging physical tests through proven predictive virtual tests, and avoiding software development costs by taking advantage of tire-specific integrated CAD CAE solutions. Unlike traditional PLM systems, the 3D Experience platform provides a model-based framework for all departments without any data replications, removing silos, and creating a collaborative environment that fosters faster decision-making and innovation. If you're looking to design innovative tires that meet the demands of vehicles today and in the future, look no further than SIMULIA's Tire Analysis Engineer role.